Good morning. This is the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Saturday, August 23rd, 2025. Low-level water vapor imagery with satellite-derived lightning from Friday afternoon into this morning shows monsoonal moisture spreading north and westward across the southwest into California. Quite a bit of lightning occurred across eastern portions of SouthOps last evening, and some is occurring across their southern portion this morning. Infrared and true color visible satellite imagery with composite radar and surface observations going back to last evening shows the heat signature of the Picket Fire in northwest Napa County early in the loop, as well as lots of loosely organized low pressure impulses with weak radar returns in the broad southerly flow across NorthOps this morning. No lightning occurred across NorthOps in the past 24 hours as of 7 a.m. this morning, but 3,355 strikes occurred across SouthOps. 24-hour radar estimated precipitation with National Weather Service and RAWS gauge reports indicates no precipitation occurred across NorthOps in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, SouthOps did receive some wetting rainfall with some of the storm activity yesterday, with the thunderstorms being mixed wet and dry per observations. There are no fire weather headlines across NorthOps at this time. Heat advisories and an excessive heat warning are in effect across portions of the area, with most of them expiring late this evening. But the excessive heat warning across western Siskiyou County is in effect through Monday evening. Today's 6Z Ensemble GFS 20,000 foot level forecast shows a strong ridge centered over the Four Corners and the southerly flow across NorthOps this morning. That ridge weakens some today through Sunday as a weak low pressure wave moves through NorthOps today, followed by a slightly more defined wave moving through tonight into Sunday. By Monday, weak low pressure west of the coast and a small-scale upper-level trough linger across the north. A similar pattern lingers into Tuesday. Then, broader southwest flow develops Wednesday through Thursday as a Pacific trough approaches the Pacific Northwest. One short wave from this trough brushes by northwest areas Friday, followed by a stronger one next Saturday. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast accurately indicates lots of poor to moderate RHs this morning, though lower valleys are a bit more moist than depicted here, whereas RHs in the teens and 20s are quite widespread this morning across mid to upper elevations west of the Sierra Crest to the coastal mountains. Mostly light south through west winds are expected today, except for some outflow gusts in the 20 to 40 mile per hour range east to northeast of the Sierra Crest. Min RHs in the single digits and teens are likely for most valleys inland from the coastal ranges. Some enhanced westerly breezes are likely to continue through the overnight in the Bay to Sacramento River Delta area, while some easterly breezes occur to the north, mainly spreading out of the Sierras. RHs will again be poor to moderate across much of the area, though an increase in RH is likely east of the Sierras. Some thunderstorm outflow is likely northeast areas late Sunday morning, and more widespread thunderstorm outflows are indicated across north to northeast areas Sunday afternoon to evening. A similar pattern repeats Sunday night into early Monday, with high RHs across the northeast portion. Another round of gusty outflow winds is expected across north to northeast areas Monday afternoon. The NASA Wharf High Resolution Model radar reflectivity forecast shows showers and thunderstorms developing and moving northward this afternoon, with thunderstorms along and near the California-Nevada border. Tonight through Sunday morning, some waves of showers, potentially embedded with thunderstorms, move north and northeast of the Sierras, followed by significant thunderstorm activity, mainly from the Sierras northwestward Sunday afternoon. The 6C EC lightning flash density forecast shows similar lightning potential, though shifted a bit west this afternoon. It also shows a little more potential further west Sunday. A very active lightning day is indicated Monday, northwest, north, and east of the Sacramento Valley, with some potential across the northern Sacramento Valley. A similar potential is shown for Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons and evenings, shifting mostly east of the area Thursday. The CNRFC 6-day precipitation forecast in 24-hour increments shows mostly non-wetting precipitation today. For Sunday, some wetting precipitation is indicated from the Cascades and Sierras eastward, with lighter amounts in other locations. Monday is similar with a mix of wetting and non-wetting precipitation, though quite wet over the northern Sierras. The forecast for Tuesday indicates a fair amount of wetting rainfall, whereas Wednesday's activity is indicated as mostly non-wetting, followed by very little precipitation Thursday. The NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook shows high risk today for the far east side, expanding north and west Sunday due to lightning. High risks continue Tuesday and Wednesday, shifting west and into the mid-coast to Mendocino PSA as more eastern areas moisten some. SouthOps is forecasting moderate risk today, followed by low risk or less Sunday through next week. In summary, heat wave conditions continue today across the interior, focusing across the northwest interior Sunday to Monday. Low to very low RHs across mid to upper elevations and at lower elevations in the afternoons and evenings will aid in significant additional drying. High risks for lightning exist across the far east today and expand north and west Sunday through Wednesday. The storms will be mixed wet and dry for the first couple of days and then transition wetter, especially over eastern areas, and last over the northwest mountains. This concludes today's Fire Weather Webcast.